This video was created in partnership with Genesis. The Genesis GV80. It's the first ever Genesis SUV. And one thing's absolutely certain. It throws an enormous wrench into the pricing brackets of luxury SUVs. It's got pretty incredible capability and design, and an absolutely beautiful look to it. And you can even get it in all-wheel drive with an electronic limited slip differential, and also a twin turbocharged 375 horsepower V6. The GV80 has these very unique quad headlights. It also has this evolving crest grille that is inspired by the Genesis emblem, and not to mention the GV80 comes with a ton of unique features I had no idea even existed. Genesis' slogan for this vehicle is boundless by design. Well, what does that mean? What that means is that Genesis is going for the ultimate form and function, especially for this price point. The GV80 comes with two engine options, a 300 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo or the 375 horsepower twin turbocharged V6, both paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The GV80 I am driving is the Advanced Plus with the premium leather. But at the highest trim level, the GV80 has this beautiful Napa quilted leather for its interior. But whatever trim level the GV80 is, every touch point in this SUV feels fantastic. For example, if I turn to the drive mode or the parking, there's this really beautiful crystal piece that when you turn it, it feels good in your hand and it just looks good. It has a 14.5-inch screen. It has navigation. It has all sorts of amazing features. It even has this feature to play nature sounds in the car to like smoothen out your mood. It even has ambient lighting where you can choose what color you'd like, and it also has an analog and digital gauge cluster. And the digital gauge cluster even implements a blind spot camera system that especially comes in handy for lane changes. So one of the coolest features about the Genesis GV80 is with your key fob, you can hit the lock button, then hit this hold button, and say you're in a tight area in the city and you're nervous about parking. So imagine you can get out of your car and see just how close you are to everything from a third-eyed perspective. The car should turn on. With this arrow, I can go forward and back from a third-person perspective. And it should start moving. There it is. Crazy. What I was really worried about when I heard about this feature was if I hit this button and it would just kind of keep going on its own. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the car back, and then as soon as I left, that's good. Unbelievable. Like, what world do we live in nowadays? The GV80 also has this camera system that's located right behind the rear view mirror. That is an ADAS camera that reads the road ahead and then optimizes the vehicle's electronically controlled suspension to optimize the ride comfort and minimize impact. At higher trim levels, the GV80 even has a road active noise cancellation system that generates an anti-noise wave in real time as you drive. Along with that, it has a lot of intelligent drive modes, so like comfort and sport and things of that nature. The default mode is comfort, and for the majority of driving, comfort is just so nice. The touch points are great, and also the volume and everything in the center console are these knobs that you scroll up and down, which is super unique and interesting. One of my favorite things in the interior is the panoramic sunroof, which is actually one large piece of glass. When you open the shades, they open directly opposite of each other, which creates a very synchronized and satisfying experience to watch. So you don't want to use the dial on the center console. It's also a touchscreen. So I want to just touch it and get where I need to go. Easy. Also, under the center console is this little tiny compartment to put like your phone, your wallet, your little things that you would instinctively put like in your cup holder. But it's a really nice little area and has a rubber surface so your phone or whatever that needs to be down there doesn't slide back and forth. I thought that was a really nice detail. And this technique where you have this little pocket is known as a floating center console. So if you ever hear that term, that is what the Genesis uses. It's a floating center console, which makes it it very lovely. Instead of having this massive center console to store stuff, you go under it, and that creates a much more streamlined look to the center console and up to the infotainment center. If I were to describe the functionality of the interior, it would be satisfying. Everything has a nice analog feel to it, and even when you push the button for the center console, it opens in a very smooth and serene way. And even when you open and close things in the center console, such as the cup holder, it has a satisfying, audible, and tactile feedback. And the user interface is incredibly user-friendly, it's not overcomplicated, and it's easy to get the hang of quickly. It also seats up to 7 people with a third row, which can actually be folded up and down with a simple push of a button. The second row has a ton of space too, like a full-grown, tall adult could easily sit back there. It's absolutely no problem. So while sitting in the second and third row, you might notice I have plenty of headroom. A lot of the times when you get in an SUV, the proportions and roofline will be kind of weird and it'll start to slope down a little too early and then you're hitting your head. Depending on the trim level, the GV80 also has an optional electronically controlled all-wheel drive system to enhance grip and performance even further. The available electronic limited slip differential that can distribute power between the left and the right rear wheels. When it comes to the exterior of the GV80, one of my favorite things about it are the headlights. What's even cooler about it is that right next to it, near the fender, the blinker light not only comes from the headlight, it also goes onto the fender. It turns on and then it creates a line across and it creates this really beautiful look to it when you turn. Like, who would have thought how nice a car could look when you just hit the blinker? Another thing too is if you stand near the cargo door for 3 seconds, it'll automatically open for you. The paddle shifters are also in a very good spot. The beauty of that though is that if you really want to shift it manually, you can. Also, this thing has a 21 speaker sound system in it. So great sound quality coming out of the speakers for whatever genre of music, radio, podcast, whatever you like listening to. It's incredible quality and it sounds great. Another highlight of the Genesis GV80 is the interior and color options you can get. You can get all kinds of color combos with these, and you can basically build the exact Genesis you want. The different color interior options is one of my favorite things about the GV80. Once again, I think Genesis is really doing big things. I think they've really gone the right direction with this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays, and I will see you guys next time, and take it easy and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.